All right, today's reading, we're going to read about The Inner Solar System by Leslie Cargile. The inner solar system is the name of the terrestrial planets and asteroid belt. Terrestrial is just a fancy way of saying rocky. Like the Earth, terrestrial planets have a core of iron and rock. At the center of the solar system is the sun. The sun is a big ball of hydrogen powered by nuclear reactions. Massive explosions are going on all the time inside the sun. It's what makes the light every day and keeps our planet warm. Light zips from the sun to us in about 8 minutes. The sun is the most massive thing in our solar system. It is so big you could fit about 1,000,000 Earths inside of it. Closest to the sun is the planet Mercury. You could squeeze about 18 Mercuries inside of Earth. It's made up mostly of rock, but it has a huge iron core and it generates a big magnetic field. Speedy little Mercury sails around the sun in only 88 days. Mercury was the messenger of the gods in Rome mythology, known for his speed. Second in line comes Venus, which is sometimes called Earth's twin. It is about the same size as Earth, but that's where the similarities end. Venus is always covered in thick clouds full of sulfuric acid. They whip around the planet at more than 220 miles per hour. Violent winds shoot sand made of silicate around Venus's very dry and arid surface. The temperature averages 900 degrees, and the pressure's 90 times that of Earth. It takes 224 days to orbit the sun. Like Mercury, Venus was also named after a Roman goddess, the goddess of love. You know what planet is next? You live on it. Yup, the Earth is number 3. We have a rocky iron core at the center of our planet. We have liquid water, and our air is made of mostly nitrogen and oxygen. It takes 365 days for us to circle the sun. We only have one moon. Next to us is Mars. Mars also has a core of rock and iron. It is a little more than half the size of Earth. The most distinct feature about Mars is its red color. Dust rich in iron oxide covers the planet. It's sort of like the planet is rusting. White caps at the poles are water, forever frozen because of the colder temperatures further from the sun. The only place the temperature rises above freezing is at the equator, or the middle of the planet. Mars has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos, but they're much smaller than our own moon. It takes nearly twice as long for Mars to circle the sun at almost 684 days. The last part of the inner solar system is called the asteroid belt. It's the line between the inner rocky planets and the outer gaseous giants. Unlike the rest of the inner solar system, the asteroid belt isn't a planet at all. It's a bunch of rocky chunks, mostly meteoroids. There's also a dwarf planet named Ceres in the asteroid belt. The rest aren't very large. The Earth is the only planet that we know of with life on it, but the universe is a big place. Much of our solar system is still a mystery. There is still plenty to explore. All right, we just heard about the inner solar system. And if we look here, we see the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Let's look at question number 1. How does the size of Mercury compare to Earth? A. Mercury is 18 times the size of Earth. B. Mercury is 1/18 the size of Earth. C. Earth is 1/18 the size of Mercury. D. Earth is 18 times smaller than Mercury. All right, number 2. Which statement about the inner planets' orbits is true? A. Venus orbits the Sun more quickly than Mercury. B. Mercury orbits the Sun more slowly than Mars. C. Earth orbits the Sun more quickly than Venus. D. Mars orbits the Sun more slowly than Earth. Number 3. What two types of gas make up most of Earth's atmosphere? Number 4. According to information in the article, where would you find water on Mars? 5. How long does it take to travel from the Sun to the Earth? And 6. Which would be the most appropriate nickname for Venus? A. The cold desert planet. B. The first inner planet. C. The windy planet. D. The triple mooned planet. Love you, boy. Have a good time. Fill in the missing letters to create a word from the article. Then write the full word on the line. Be sure you spell each word correctly. All right, so number 1, the clue is likenesses. Number 2, clue, containing a lot of mass, large. 3. Made of gas. 4. Lacking water or rainfall. 5. Rocky. 6. Most abundant gas on Earth. 7. An imaginary line around the center of a planet.